Hi, lovely people. Are you looking for a way to invest? Are you having money stuck in your account and you don't know what to do with that money? Are you having money that you do not have immediate use for and you would want to invest it? Well, if this is your case, you are at the right place. Before we delve into the opportunity I have for you today, kindly leave a like and a subscription to help this channel grow and also to help YouTube recommend this video to a whole lot of people to also benefit as you are about to benefit. Have you heard about MTN Grow For Me program or investment scheme? Well, I guess your guesses are as good as mine. You haven't heard about it. I'm going to take you through this particular life-changing investment avenue. I always advise people that you need to diversify your portfolio. You do not need to invest in only one thing. Invest in different avenues of investment so that when one does not work well, the other is to cover for losses that you've made in the other investment. Okay, so I'm going to take you through how this Grow For Me program works, but before that I would like to give you an overview of what the Grow For Me is all about. Grow For Me is an agri-tech company that deals in agricultural commodities. Now these commodities ranges from rice, soybean, cashew and what have you. So the money you invest, they give to farmers, they enter into the production of these commodities, and at the end of the production cycle, the profit that is being made on this produce is shared between yourself, Grow For Me, and the farmer under strict conditions. Now the best thing is that your percentage is always made known before your investment is made, so yours is very sure. So the range of interest that they give you, probably from 6 and above, will determine how much you're going to make at the end of the production cycle. So I'd always advise that if you're given a range between 6% to about 30%, just track an average, and that is likely what you're going to make at the end of the production cycle. With as low as 671 Ghana cedis, you could actually invest in this particular investment scheme. But before we even move into how we go about this investment, let me chip in that the basic qualification for you to be able to invest is you need to have a registered MTN SIM card. By so doing, it means you have to have a SIM card that is registered with MTN Mobile Money, because all the transactions are going to be carried out using the mobile money system. Now, let me take you through the process of investing. So to invest, kindly dial *170#. When you dial that, a pop-up menu would come. Choose option 5, which says financial services. Another pop-up menu will come. Choose pension and investments, which is option 4. Then you choose MTN Grow For Me, which is option 3. You would see that I have already registered, but if it was you, when you choose Grow For Me, they are going to send you some details to your phone, but I already have those details, so I'll just move forward and choose which option I want here. So in this option, let's say we want to buy a commodity, so we'll go to I want to buy, which is option 3. When you choose the option 3, you see a whole list of the commodities that they deal in. So let's say we want to invest in rice, so we choose option 4. When you choose option 4, you're going to see the percentage you can earn on rice if you buy, and one unit cost of the rice is 735 Ghana cedis, and the maximum units you can buy is 650. So let's say we are buying just 1 unit, so you input 1. When you put 1, you see the total cost and the service fee, which is 35 cedis, is being charged on this, and the program is going to start from the 1st of April and it will end on the 30th of September, but your payback is going to happen on December 23rd, which is approximately just 8 months, and you'll be earning as much as 16% on this investment. So from the menu, you can choose yes if you have the money to make the transaction. I just took you through the process so that you know how it is done, and when you want to do it, it is very user friendly. You can easily do it at the comfort of your room. If this video has been helpful to you, kindly leave a thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment, and we are definitely going to engage over there. See you in the next video. Bye bye.